been a contacts in. She just woke up and who do you think came, Ayla?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus came? She jumps out of bed. I want to see if Santa Claus came. She's trying to look past me.
Sorry, sweetie. I just got to get my contact lenses in so I can...
We're going.
Okay.
What do you think? Oh. What's that? Oh. Oh. What's that, Ayla?
Teddy bear.
Yeah. What else did he get you? Holy cow, do you see? What's that over there?
Present.
What's that?
Bike.
He get you a bike?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, is that the big present that you were supposed to get?
Mm-hmm. Santa Claus did that. Get that for me.
He did, huh?
Look, he opened up the fireplace so he can
Look, he came in.
You open up the fireplace?
So cute. Ooh. Are you excited? Cute. Look, he's on the bike, huh?
You open the fireplace, get all the toys out.
Mm-hmm. You had to move the toys, huh?